If you're seeing an install error in DaVinci Resolve, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to fix it, step by step. This is a common issue, and it usually happens because of permission restrictions, or because antivirus software is blocking some of the installation files. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to get DaVinci Resolve installed properly without wasting time guessing what went wrong. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, close any installers that are already running in the background. If a setup window is frozen or half open, it can interfere with the fresh installation attempt, so make sure everything related to the installer is fully closed before you continue. Next, locate the DaVinci Resolve installer file on your computer. Once you've found it, right-click on the installer and choose Run as Administrator. This is an important step because it gives the installer the full permissions it needs to make changes to your system and complete the setup properly. A lot of install errors happen simply because the installer doesn't have enough access. After that, if the problem still continues, move the installer file to your desktop or directly to your C drive. This helps avoid restricted folders or locations that can sometimes block the setup process. Keeping the file somewhere simple and easy to access can make a big difference, especially if Windows is limiting access in the original folder. Now, before you run the installer again, temporarily disable your antivirus software. In many cases, antivirus tools can mistakenly block parts of the DaVinci Resolve installation files, even when the file is safe. Turning it off briefly while you install can prevent those false blocks from interrupting the process. Just remember to turn your antivirus back on after the installation is complete. Once that's done, run the installer again and go through the setup process normally. Let it finish all the required components and installation steps without closing anything early. In most cases, this should resolve the install error and allow DaVinci Resolve to install correctly. To recap, the main reasons this error happens are permission restrictions and antivirus blocking the installation files. So if you run into this issue again, the fix is usually to close existing installers, run as administrator, move the file to a safer location, temporarily disable antivirus, and then reinstall. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more troubleshooting guides, and comment below if you want help with any other DaVinci Resolve problems. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.